This hawk flew through just, 6 feet off the ground right after the chickens went in. And I'm going to tell you, he had been watching them and I didn't see him beforehand. He's sitting right down here on the edge of the property up in a walnut tree. I believe that is a Cooper's hawk, a big one, big for a Cooper's hawk. They're usually smaller, I believe. It's got the rings on the tail. If I am incorrect, please let me know. Just flew down and I am zoomed in so much I missed. He's somewhere down there around that creek underneath the tree I've been cutting. But glad he didn't come through 5 minutes earlier. He could have had one of our chicks. Hope everyone's having a great day. Please like and subscribe. Beautiful, beautiful day. There's our sunset with a jet flying by. I don't know if we can make that out or not, but no, we can't make it out. Just a beautiful day in East Tennessee. Like and subscribe. See you soon.